Little update on the 87 S10 rewiring. So what I've been up to, as you can see all the stuff on the bed, I'm rewiring the fans to make it a dual relay setup. So I got all the relays, I got stuff for all that. And then I've been rewiring everything in here. I got the box to do on this side. I'm gonna actually CNC a mount that's gonna hold that to the side, and then you can rewire it. But this side I've been working on. So I have rewired all the wires for the headlights, everything that runs through here. So there'll be no wires that travel through. And feeding the wires in the fender back there, if you could see. And then they're just gonna travel down and they come out through the front of the radiator support. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to mount the vacuum canister right here. It's going to go right here. Obviously the hose is going to run, I'll just leave it like this. The hose is going to run through the fender also. So it's going to, I'm going to mount it here. I'm going to CNC a bracket that's going to hold it right there instead of having it over there. So that's what I'm working on now, is finishing up the wire on that side. And then I can start on this side. This thing hasn't been washed or driven in a month, at least. So that's my update on rewiring it. My 87 long bed. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Thanks, guys.